Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this burgundy wine color on this ISHOW hair wig. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and take my 40 developer and 2 boxes of my L'Oreal High Love color in the color magenta. Looking back on the video, I would probably recommend using 3. But now I'm just going to go ahead and take the first color and literally squeeze everything out as much as I can. You guys want to make sure that you guys get every little last drop. I literally squeeze it until I can't squeeze it anymore, just so that we can get all of the color out and we can use as much as we can. Now I'm just going to go ahead and roll this up so that I can squeeze everything out. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the other one and do the same thing. Now you guys might see in this clip that it kind of exploded on me because I guess I was squeezing a little bit, maybe a little bit too hard. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze all of the color out of this one as well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take my 40 developer and just pour it in with the dye. I typically didn't measure it because I usually do it by eye because I've done this before and I know how I want the consistency. I kind of want the consistency to be like a paste kind of, but if you're new to this, I would typically use less and then as you go add a little bit more. But yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and mix it, and this is the consistency that you guys should have when you are all done. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start applying it to the hair. Now before I start applying it to the hair, I just want to go ahead and section the hair off just so that it'll make it a little bit easier when I apply. But after I go ahead and section it, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the dye in. Now these next few clips, you guys are going to see me start at the ends and work my way up. There's really no way that I put the hair dye in. I literally just slap it on and just massage it through, and you guys will see that in the next few clips. Now, as I started getting towards the top, the hair dye did start to run out just a little bit. So I did say at the beginning, I would recommend using 3 boxes instead of 2, so you guys don't make the same mistake that I did. But all in all, it did start to work out. I just had to use a little bit more dye at the top than I would have liked to. I would have liked to use a little bit more, but I just tried to spread it out as much as I could and tried to work more so at the top, more so than at the bottom. But in the end, everything started to work through. So now in these next few clips, you guys are going to be seeing me apply it more so on the closure at the top. Now this is what it looks like once I've used all of the dye. Yes, I know I didn't get a chance to really get the back like that, but that's because I ran out. Now it all worked out in the end. Now I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on for 30 minutes and show you guys what it looks like after I wash it out, blow dry it, and install it. You guys, I wish it was just a little bit brighter, but it's still cute. I really like it. The hair is still soft, still manageable. I can still run my fingers through it. I don't get any shedding. Oh, excuse my hands, they're a little red from the dye, but yeah, the hair still feels soft. I love it. Let me show you guys up close. I left a little black root. I didn't want the whole hair to be red. Also, I wanted to show you guys what the back looked like. Because I did run out of hair dye at the ends. I was a little worried that it was going to be a little patchy, but it all turned out really good. Next time I would recommend getting 3 boxes instead of 2, because at the end I was starting to get a little frantic because I ran out. But other than that, this is the hair. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.